Alright guys, so I'm gonna have another video up. This really? Do you have to? You just, wow, okay. So I'm doing a little video, sound comparison versus the 1990 stock YZ125 exhaust. And the FMF Powercore. Yeah, and just disclaimer, this is not my bike. Fixing up for somebody. Just clean up just a little bit. Well, I'm still am. And it's also got the Gold Series, FMF Gold Series fatty on it, so I'm gonna give you guys a little sound comparison. Yeah. So yeah, be in a second. And I forgot to mention, the bike is a little loud, and the idle's a bit high right now, but we're adjusting it right now, so don't judge. Just saying. Like I said, idle's a little bit high right now, and before you guys say anything about me revving it out, I started it before this video, and it started first kick, but I started before this video, so I could, like, because when you start it's like super loud, so just saying, I don't rev my bike out when it's cold. So I'm gonna go throw on the theme bobber. I guess I'll get a time lapse for it, you guys. Alright, so finally finished. As you can see, there's like no pipe there now. It looks better though, but I'm done. I'm about to give it guys a startup. It's still a little loud and stuff, but I already started it and it sounds cleaner, but it might need to be repacking, but not right now. So working on that clutch though, so yeah, so see you guys in a second. Sorry it wasn't that long, but that's it. It's getting dark. It took, ooh, bike's moving. Okay. But sorry it took so forever though. But I had to go eat. So yeah, we'll put in the clutch and clutch cable tomorrow. So I'll try to get something with that. But thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more.